2005 Dodge Caravan.
This p0071 code for this Caravan. I look at this console up here. It says negative 40 degrees. It's probably got the ambient air temperature sensor is located somewhere around the front bumper area. It's probably no good. Either it's unplugged or it got smashed or it's just no good anymore. When this reads negative 40, you can pretty much guarantee it's either unplugged, it's got a break in the wire, or the sensor's bad. If you look at your front bumper, you go underneath, and your ambient air temperature sensor, you should be able to see in plain view right here. There's a 10 millimeter on it. It's really easy to get to. This one's actually broke off, so I might just end up zip tying it up here, because if you get a new one you'll be able to bolt it on, but this one, it goes on right, I don't know, right somewhere, but it's busted off, and I'm going to zip tie it down because I found some broken wires. They're right here. These wires are broke, so I'm gonna put some waterproof connectors on these, and I'm gonna check the dick, the instrument cluster, and see if it reads something other than 40 below. So yeah, I got broken wires, that's why it's reading 40 below. That's the only good way to do those. They make a nice waterproof seal right there. Then I just found some crazy way to zip tie that thing down. Let's see if this works. There it is. Job well done. Okay, bye.